With MGX, you can turn any file into a website. Excel, slides, images, resumes, books. MGX handles them all. Let's start with an Excel spreadsheet. Just drag it into MGX. In minutes, a full data website is generated. Here's the cover of our website made from Excel. Click to generate and preview instantly. Charts and tables included. Next, presentations. Let's turn a PowerPoint into a website. Upload your slides, and in minutes, it's ready to present online. Now for images. We can drag in a full set of pictures. MGX will create a beautifully styled image gallery. Resumes? No problem. Just upload your resume file. Create a personal site in one click. Showcase your skills and journey. Books or manuals? MGX turns them into multi-section websites easily. MGX. Give every file its own digital stage.